Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. To earn money from Pinterest as an Amazon affiliate, you need a business account. It's required for affiliate tools and analytics. So, in today's small tutorial, we really want to go ahead and talk about how to create a Pinterest business account for Amazon affiliate. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First thing first, set up your business account. Convert your personal account to a business one, or create a new one from scratch. It's free and takes just a few minutes. Then, optimize your profile for affiliate marketing. Profile image, use a clear recognizable image for the display name. Include your niche. For example, home organization solutions or something a little bit more personal, depending on you. For the bio, explain how followers will benefit, not just who you are. Add a call to action. For the website, link your website if you have one to build credibility. Then join the Amazon Associate Program. Go to the affiliateprogram.amazon.com and create your account. For the requirements, at least 10 pieces of original content. Focus on visually appealing categories like home and kitchen, fashion, beauty, crafts, and all of this. 3 qualifying sales within your first 180 days to stay active. And make sure to link your Amazon storefront. Create and organize boards and add your disclosure. That's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.